Dreamstime.com audio.
Hello, my name is Bhavesh Srivastava. I am from Delhi and I am pursuing my BTech in Aerospace Engineering from Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai, and currently I am in my final year. The learning experience at IGC has been amazing as the faculties here are quite knowledgeable and most of them are expert in their respective domains, and they were quite motivating and supportive throughout the journey. And let me mention specially about Dinesh sir. He was always there for the students whenever we needed the support. The mock exams provided by IGC were at par with the GATE exams level itself, and they prepared us to tackle the real life GATE exam scenario, and the feedback provided at the end helped us in analyzing our time management skills in the exam. I used to study for GATE. I used to study for GATE exam after coming back from college, and most of the time used to go in GATE preparation only apart from the college studies. I wish to join the Aerospace department at the prestigious Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Thank you.